Okay, guys, I think it's time to start practicing what we've been talking about. It's time to start practicing, what we've been learning so far. So we don't have to wait till, because I realized that even before you start running ads, even before you start using money to, to run adverts, all right, you must learn how to sell these things. You must learn how to sell with organic traffic, all right. What do I call that? Organic, or like making sales organically, all right, like making sales organically, all right, making sales organically. Okay, all right. So before this will happen, all right, you must have determined your kind of funnel, all right. You must have determined your kind of funnel. You can watch the sales funnel video again, all right. So what I did, right, during my own time when I started, I was able to get a creative, all right. Let me put step to follow. One, a creative, which is the flyer, right, which is the flyer. Then I decided that okay, you need a WhatsApp. Of course, we all have WhatsApp. All right, if you have your maybe a WhatsApp class, or VSL, all right. If you are using a WhatsApp class, then you need a template, all right. So you need a template, all right. I hope you're understanding it. So you need a flyer, all right. You need a template, all right. Your short pre-sale, all right. Follow-ups, then sales, all right. So this is this is how it started, right? This is how it started for me, okay. All right, so it's just a thing like you would have, and before all of this, right, you would have study the product you want to promote, all right. You study the product you want to promote, you understand the product you want to promote, all right. So now I'm pushing all. This is the task, right? Pick your product, study your product, all right. Study it, then research your audience, as I mean, we talk about that. Your audience. All right, and so what the things I did, right, was that firstly, organically, you have to determine your platform. Some people is not TikTok is not really like, I won't advise you to start going on TikTok right now. All right, so this is what we have to do right now. So you start talking about, after you might have done all of these things, all right, you start talking about your products. All right, you start talking about hosting your class. Or what I did then was that I wrote on my status. I think I started with what was the first product? 72 IG then. Like a simple system that can help you generate 200k monthly without these. If you have a smartphone, if you have your, even if you have a smartphone at all, then I have a video. The course has a video. That's a VSL. All right. So I was just like, okay, if you are interested, I have a video that will guide you through and all. Send me a DM, then I will share with you. All right. So that was all. People started coming into my DM. I shared the video. So I just told them, okay, when you are done with the video, let me know. So the work of the pre-sale is to help you sell. The work of the VSL is to help you sell the product. All right. So when the person comes asking you questions, this and that, then they come with some kind of objections. All right. Objection is like why some people might tell you they don't have money. Those are kind of objection. All right. So I'll also have a PDF file that teach you about. I'll show you a PDF that teach you about objection and objection handling. All right, and how you can actually tackle these objections. All right. So right now, this is a task. All right, this is a task at hand. Right. This is a task at hand. Pick your products, study them, then you start getting people into your funnel from your Facebook page, from your Twitter, what's it called, from your WhatsApp status. Then this was what I did too, right? So this is how to leverage. All right, leveraging. All right, so I just look at some of my friends. I'm talking about leveraging right now. So I just look at some of my friends, right? And I give them my flyer and my content. All right, okay, help me promote my class. Then I was using a WhatsApp class. All right, let me promote my class on your status. So they help me post on their status, and people click on the WhatsApp link on the status. They come to me. What can I tell them? When they come to me, I send them a message like, okay, welcome and this and that. Kindly save my number. So when you're done, tell me you're done. Then I'll send you the video, or I'll send you the link to the class. All right. So that was how I started. So I got, I think, around 40 people then into my class, and I made 60,000. That was how I made my first 60,000 naira. So I did not spend any money. All right. So this is how you can start. All right. This is how you can start making money before you start spending money on advert. All right. And this is what I'm putting up to you people, right? So if it's the Canada thing you feel you can promote, so you learn about the product. This is the VSL. If there's a VSL or something, then that is what you will use. So because this one Canada thing will not require you to host a class, because all right, and this there should be a support group or something for this person. So basically what I do at times is to go on Twitter to look for the course owner. All right, to check the course owner. If most of them, they used to have promotional materials. All right, most of them, they used to have promotional materials. All right, so if it's the Amazon thing, all right, you might feel okay, you want to host a class for it, then you might, most of you that are used to Amazon KDP, you understand all of these things. All right, so all you just need to do is to understand the product you're selling. All right, make yourself some research and determine the kind of funnel that will best suit that product. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is that everyone should pick the product best suits them. Right, so start putting together your promotional materials. All right, that's promotional. I want to write materials. All right, so start putting together your promotional materials, start determining your funnel. So then you start asking questions, you start dropping your question, or you start sharing on the group so that I attend to all of them. If there's any mistake or any addition or subtraction I feel you need to do, all right, then I can start. All right, then we'll start treating them one after the other. All right, this is, so when you are done putting your stuff together, then share on the group. You can open a, what's it called, you can open a Google Docs like this, all right, to put maybe your pre-sale or what you want to do or how you want to do it, your flyer, and start. All right, let me see your funnel, let me see what you want to do, then ask questions, then we'll put all of this together, just like I'm working with you now, like each person right now, one-on-one now. All right, so just drop it on the group, then I follow it up with you to execution. All right, I hope that is fair, right? I follow it up with you to execution. All right, so let me say this again. Start picking decide on what you want to promote, then I'll work with you from creating your funnel for organic and organically first right now before you go to paid ads. Then I'll follow it up with you to implementation. All right, so both of us will determine the kind of funnel best suits for you and how you can actually get started with your first sales call. All right, so I'll be follow up one-on-one right now. Then if there's anything, if we need to get on call, then we get on a call. All right, so I hope this is cool. So it's first come first serve. If you're faster, and the first person to drop is your project or is your work, then I follow up with that, then to the next person and to the next person. All right, guys, so don't forget the steps to follow. You get a flyer, then you have a WhatsApp, so a shop pre-sale, follow up. So we'll be working on all of these things together, like individually, like me and you individually. Right?